Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor in a Honda CRV. First, ensure you have all the right tools and safety gear, like gloves and eye protection. Before touching anything, it's crucial to safely discharge the refrigerant from your AC system. This step requires specialized equipment. Always disconnect your vehicle's battery to eliminate any electrical risks before proceeding with the repair. Once the system is depressurized and the battery is disconnected, you can begin removing the old compressor. Start by carefully disconnecting all electrical connectors and the refrigerant lines attached to the unit. Next, locate and remove the mounting bolts that secure the compressor to the engine block. With the bolts out, you can gently maneuver and extract the old compressor from its mounting bracket. Now it's time to install your new AC compressor. Carefully position the new unit, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the refrigerant lines, making sure they are snug and properly sealed. Remember to replace the accumulator or receiver dryer at this stage. With the new compressor installed, the next critical step is to evacuate the AC system. This process uses a vacuum pump to remove all air and moisture, which can damage the system. After evacuation, recharge the system with the specified amount of refrigerant and compressor oil. Finally, start your vehicle, turn on the AC, and thoroughly test for proper cooling and any potential leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.